10 insane websites you probably didn't know existed until now. 1. Flot AI, your AI copilot anywhere. Use ChatGPT anywhere you type or select, on all apps and websites. Try it for yourself. Flot.ai. 2. Durable. The world's fastest AI website builder. Generate an entire website with images and copy in seconds. 3. Human Generator. Create hyperrealistic full-body photos of people in real time. Get a perfect photo in a few clicks. Four. Monica. An AI-powered chat assistant that offers a wide range of services, including chat support and copywriting assistance. Five. Ever wished you had 24/7 health advice at your fingertips? Talk to AI Health Assistant. Generate your health report. Validate it with a top doctor from the US and Europe. Your health matters, try today. Six. Adify. YouTube summaries powered by ChatGPT. Capture crucial and controversial ideas from interviews, speeches, tutorials, reviews. 7. TLDV. Need an AI meeting note-taker and summarizer? Catch up on meetings in minutes.
You can record and mark the important moments in real time during your live meeting, so you can find them in seconds after the meeting is over. And because it's so easy to jump to the parts that matter, your team can catch up on meetings faster than ever, even if they couldn't join live. Here's how it works. With our Chrome extension, you can add TLDV directly to your running Google Meets. To start recording, simply click on the TLDV blue button. Your TLDV recorder will securely join your meeting as a bot. During your call, you and your team type quick notes or click the blue pin button to mark key moments on the TLDV interface. These notes will be linked directly to the final recording and transcript. You can also edit them later. When the meeting is over, these timestamp notes, recording, and transcript will be instantly available. Now your team can quickly review meetings at their own pace and get all the context behind the key moments. With one click, you can share these key moments with your team on your favorite productivity tool. No more sweating bullet points and writing long takeaways after the meeting is over. Now, you can share meeting minutes that speak for themselves. Dive in and let us know what you think.
8. Tascade. Build a second brain for your teams with this AI tool. Tascade AI lets you build a second brain for your teams and increase productivity. 9. Wonder Dynamics. An AI tool that automatically animates, lights and composes CG characters into a live-action scene. 10. Stockem AI. Create high-quality, custom assets for your brand.